BJP candidate for Inner Parliamentary Lok Sabha election TH Basantakumar has claimed that he will support Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee's inclusion of Maitai in ST list. He made the statement during an interaction program of Know Your Candidate organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Stdcm today at his quarter at Babupara. He mentioned that if elected as Member of Parliament, he would make efforts to ensure that the demand is fulfilled. Basantakumar continued to affirm that since the topic is sensitive, a thorough discussion is required. He assured that including Maitai in the ST list will assist indigenes to live in harmony and bring unity to the state. He further stated that the current BJP government is taking the matter seriously and will be looking into it.
Government of Manipur haitare makoi naina da banate koi manga kamai to si ko sige masi issue sida yam seriously koi logje adu loina na hojik lakdori ba wo thada dori ba 18 lok sabha election si yo matung da kare no praja yamna aibu as an MP when in Manipur thagat ki tar ri ai so idan masi issue sida angam mathak tai ona jagani maramdi akoi gi lai ba youth sing mahiroi sing lai the future is assured to see how the ST demands and fulfill to a step more terms again. And personally, I cited it fully. I see demands back to the demands fulfilled on the school. What is a